Climate change, it's all about more extreme, so heavier rain events like we're seeing right now, which includes stronger atmospheric rivers, and on top of that, worse drought. So it's not about balance, it's about extremes. All right, I want to take you back outside to Sandia Creek Road. This is Fallbrook. This is one of the areas that picked up almost 4 inches of rain over the last couple of days. The river has swollen over the bridge here, and you can actually see quite a bit of debris bunched up against there as well. Not as much activity going on right now, but we're not done with the rain just yet. In fact, we're going to see periods of rain all the way through Friday. Snow continuing to fall at the Mount Laguna area. Shower activity is a lot more isolated as of right now. In fact, the thunderstorms have become abundant as they've spread off into Arizona. So that's where the atmospheric river is. As I zoom out just a little bit more, now we're talking about the actual storm system. So that still has to push through our area. That's what we're going to be seeing as we head into tonight and tomorrow morning. And then I am tracking another storm system. I'll show you that in just a second for the end of the week. So I had to show you this. So just a few days ago, just last week, in fact, I was showing you how much rain we've seen compared to last year, and it was inches shy. We'd seen about 4 inches so far. We are almost equal now to how much rain we saw last year with all of those atmospheric rivers that impacted Southern California, all of California, but our surplus now is over 2.5 inches. Just yesterday, we were still less than an inch in a surplus, but with Lindbergh Field, where those records are kept, we've now picked up another almost 2 inches from this storm system. It's a chilly one. We're in the 50s for most of the county. Mount Laguna, Palomar, snow levels are sitting right at your level. So snow levels are going to be anywhere between about 4,000 and 5,000 feet for the end of the week. And with the most amount of moisture coming through in the overnight hours when it's coldest, I do think it's possible that Julian could see a little bit of snow. I'll talk about that in a second. By the afternoon, though, we'll be about 38 degrees. The rest of us, we're mostly in the 50s. So there's the storm system that we're still dealing with. This is the next one. It's going to be diving south, bringing a new round of energy as we head into tomorrow night. So as I put our 10News Futurecast into play, a little bit overestimating what's going on right now. As we head into tonight, we'll see some isolated to scattered showers. But as we head into the overnight hours and tomorrow morning, I want to go into your morning commute tomorrow because I think it's going to be another messy one. We'll see scattered to potentially widespread rain, snow falling in our mountain areas. In fact, tomorrow morning is looking like when the lowest snow levels will arrive down to 4,000 feet, which does include the Julian area. Most of Wednesday during the day, it will be isolated activity, and then here comes the second storm system Wednesday night into Thursday morning. This is overnight, so this is at midnight, past midnight. Again, overnight Wednesday into Thursday morning. Scattered showers that continue into the morning on Thursday, and then we kind of get isolated activity during the day on Thursday, and then overnight Thursday into Friday morning, our final round of rain arrives. Now, all of the rounds that we see from here on out won't be as devastating as the rain that we saw over the last couple of days, or yesterday and this morning. Additional rainfall totals, we're looking at anywhere from about 1/2 inch to 2 more inches. Snow levels, again, between 4,000 and 5,000 feet. Locally up to 15 inches. That means for areas like Mount Laguna and Palomar. But Julian, you may see 1 to 3 inches of snow when all is said and done. Chilly for the end of the week, mostly 50s for the coast and inland neighborhoods. When do we dry out? Saturday. Slight chance for some showers in the morning, but most of Saturday will be dry with sunny skies returning. The mountain areas, it is going to be bitter cold with 30s for highs the next several days, and then temperatures back in the 50s by next week. In the desert areas, lighter rainfall here. You'll see some isolated showers at times through Friday.